Welcome. If you want to keep your personal details private on Telegram, hiding your birthday is a quick and smart move. Whether you just value your privacy or don't want others getting notified about your special day, Telegram gives you full control over who can see your birthday. Let's walk through how to hide your birthday step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon in the top corner. On most Android devices, this appears as three horizontal lines, while on iPhone you may need to tap your profile icon instead. Tap on it to open your account menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, from notifications to privacy controls. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it allows you to decide what information others can see about you. Now, scroll until you find the option labeled Birthday and tap on it. Here's where Telegram lets you control who has access to your birthday information. You'll see a few visibility options. To completely hide your birthday from everyone, simply select Nobody. This ensures that no one on Telegram can view your birthday, no matter if they're in your contacts or not. After choosing Nobody, make sure to apply or confirm the change so your settings are updated. And that's it. Your birthday is now hidden, giving you more control over your privacy on Telegram. Keeping your personal information secure is always a good idea, especially on social platforms. Telegram makes it easy to customize your privacy, and small changes like this can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more tips to make the most of Telegram's privacy features.